I love having a productive garden to feed my family, share with my friends. It is just perfect way of providing healthy, nutritional food for everyone. These are sesame leaves or perilla leaves. Now, there's so many different things that you can do with these. You can wrap, you can pickle, you can do so many things, and it adds so much flavor to any of the dishes that you can create. These are just packed with healthy nutrition. When I was growing up, my grandparents used to tell me, eat these because these are just a superfood. And they are. They're absolutely wonderful, taste absolutely amazing. Now, the sesame leaves, they do best when they're directly sowed into the ground. The timing is around mid to late April. Or you can go ahead and start to seed in the greenhouse, and when they're seedlings, you can go ahead and transplant them in the garden where you want them to grow. Now, they can grow up to my height. I'm like 5'4". The growing season is anywhere from like June to October, beginning of October. I look forward to harvesting them every year because it's just so tasty and it's so nutritional. So what you do is you basically pick right at the stem. You don't want to go ahead and pick that are too big because they are pretty fibrous. So what I do is I pick about medium size that are, slightly smaller. And that way when you wrap, it's soft and flavorful. I hope you'll be able to grow some sesame leaves or perilla leaves in your garden. It doesn't take a whole lot. You can just go ahead and put 1 or 2 plants in and you'll have plenty to harvest. These are the sesame leaves that we harvested earlier, and there are so many things you can do with the sesame leaves. Now there's one that I made pickles out of them. It's made using soy sauce and vinegar and sugar. Now the fresh leaves, I love using these as a wrap instead of using flour tortilla or anything like that. Now I'm going to make a quick sauce, basically using the sea salt and black pepper and toasted sesame oil, and just let it sit there and get all happy. So the flavor of the sesame leaf has slight anise, basil, and mint flavor. So it's just absolutely amazing. So I put rice on here, and you take this pork belly, beautiful Berkshire pork belly, and dip it into the sauce and just put it on like this, and you wrap it just like a taco and be happy. Oh my goodness. I hope you all get to go ahead and grow some sesame leaves in your garden and experience this just amazingness. Delicious.